Hi, welcome back to Howie's Hot Rods. I got to thinking the other day, what I like to do before this build is completely done, I'm going to take everybody's names that have commented on our videos or subscribed where they have a name in there, and I can put it in a hat, and then I'm going to draw one out, and that winner will get a 5-pound box of pistachios sent to you anywhere in the United States. I think once you eat our pistachios, you're gonna go, wow, these are completely different. They're the best in the world. Guarantee you. Once you eat them, you'll be back for more. That's our label right there. And I just thought it'd be cool to give back to you people for checking out my channel. Why not? It's good for me, it's good for you, and pistachios are good for you. So it's a win-win-win. Until then, we'll see you next time. Later.